our darling little home. Before anything, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope this year is filled with blessings for you and your family. Thank you for sticking with me, and I have so many ideas and things to come. Please keep an eye for the upcoming videos, and I hope you guys like them. So today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul, and I also want to show you a few things that I picked up at the dollar spot at Target. Bullseye playground, I think it's called. So let me start with Dollar Tree stuff. I'll be doing DIYs with these items, so if you have them or if you're interested and you want to pick them up, right now is the time to do it, because you know those things really go fast. So first thing I got from the Dollar Tree were these wall decals. I think they're perfect for Valentine's, you know. So I picked up one pack of these. I also picked up these felt hearts cutouts. I don't know if I'm gonna do a banner. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but you know, I'm gonna use them in a DIY coming soon. I also picked up 3 of these heart shapes. They're like plywood, and I picked up 3 of these. Again, I will be using these in a DIY. And I got this love sign. I don't know if it's wood, but I also plan to use it in a DIY soon. I also picked up this Flora-foam. You guys seen me use these before, so we might be doing a Valentine wreath. I also picked up 2 of these roses. I thought they look nice, and I think they had red and they had pink, but I decided to keep the white. I want it to be Valentine's, but I don't want it to be like so bright. I also picked up this scarf, and I'm gonna be using it on a DIY. They have different kinds, but I just picked up this one. I also picked up this sign. I just want to do a sign transformation like I did for Christmas and fall. So I got this one. I also picked up 3 of these containers or vases. I don't know where am I gonna use them, but you know, I really like them. I really like the style. So I picked 3 of these. Now moving on to Target, I picked up 2 of these containers. They were $1. They have like little heart cutouts. I don't know if you can see them better like this. And they were just $1. I also picked up this wood tray. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and it was $3. And I thought it was cute. They have one that has pink in it in the edges, and I don't know what has in here. I don't remember, but I like this one, so this is the one that I got. And I also picked up this planner. It's a 2019 planner, and I really like the flowers and the colors. And it looks like this on the inside. It has like 2 pockets, one on the inside and this one, and then it has all the 2019 holidays, and it just has the calendar like this. And then it has a space for your notes. I like the colors. And then it has these lined pages so you can write notes. And that's what I like, because I like planners, but I was using notebooks for so long. I got used to writing all the stuff that I needed to do on my notebook instead of these calendars. So, you know, it's nice to have both. Last year my sister gifted me a planner, and I got used to writing on these kind, but it's nice to have both, and I really like it. It has a lot of pages. And yeah, it was $3, and I really like it. So that's what I got from the dollar spot at Target. I think it's Bullseye's Playground that it's called. So that's all that I got, and I hope you guys like it. If you're interested, or if you have some of the items that I picked up, I'll be doing DIYs with them. So keep an eye for upcoming videos. You guys have an amazing, blessed day, and see you guys next time. God bless you guys. Bye bye.